Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to show you how to put the iPhone camera into the night mode. So, at first we have to open the camera application here. And actually on iPhone, night mode turns on automatically in low light conditions. You don't have to switch it on manually, but you can control it once it appears. As you can see, now I tap OK, and OK, and here we do have our night mode on off and night mode auto. Here, if the icon is yellow, like now, the night mode is active. If it's gray, it's available but not active, like now. Now, as you can see, we don't have the night mode. It's because we don't have the low light conditions. Now it's available but turned off. We can tap that and enable the night mode. And we can tap this moon icon to adjust for example, the slider above to the shutter button to set how long the exposure should be. For example, 1 second, 3 seconds, and up to 30 seconds if our iPhone is on tripod. So let's hold our finger nut, and here, as you can see, they have night mode auto 5 seconds, max 5 seconds or off. And of course, the night mode is available only on the iPhone 11 and later, except the SE models. And it works with the wide and ultra-wide cameras, also on the front camera or newer models. And that's how to manage your night mode. That's it. I hope it helps you and have a nice day. Goodbye.